but we don't really eat birds. See, never mind.
Woo-wee! I'm happy to have the rattle back. And compared to most fishes, in record time.
I love that soothing sound. Thanks for shaking the baby rattle so we could hear it, brother.
None of us are shaking anything. Look! That rascally rattle's being super rascally again.
And we need to catch it. Come on.
Chewy chew sticks! I don't see that rattle anywhere.
Well, if we can't see it, then we're gonna have to listen for its soothing, rattly sound. Everyone remember what it sounds like?
Yeah.
Good. Now let's round up that rattle for Darius.
Rattle, rattle, gotta find that rattling sound. I think I hear a rattle, rattle.
Let's hurry and track it down.
Was that it? No, should we quit? We'll keep on searching until we find it. Rattle, rattle, I hear a rattling over there. What's that? And another one over here. Where goes it? No, should we quit? We'll keep on searching until we find it. Rattle, rattle.